hope and the intention of our session is that everybody walks away feeling accomplished because you will have taken action.
I want us to leave with a better understanding of the impact of community and how to leverage networks to your benefit.
I really wanted to get real with some future entrepreneurs about what the journey is like. It's a beautiful journey, but it's a hard fucking journey, and we need to be really okay with saying that.
You can definitely get yourself in a path where you just stay committed, and if you don't reevaluate, you can't realize that, you know, every story in your life, every project you work on has a beginning and an end.
To me, there's almost levels of enrollment in an idea. You know, I had this idea, I got him, and he enrolled in this idea. Then we got designers to work for us for free because they were excited about this. These people are in different ways enrolling in your idea. It's really empowering.
Inspiration comes through us, and then it goes. When you have these ideas, just catch them.
I came into the trip not even believing that I could do something with my idea. And then after just 1 week with these amazing people and obviously the coaching sessions with Abby, I felt so good because I created something that helped people out of literally just an idea in my head.